Hello everyone, welcome back to our Freshers Now YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about TNPSC Road Inspector Syllabus and Exam Pattern 2023. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. And before going to the exam pattern and syllabus, let's see some details of this examination. The organization that is conducting this exam is Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission for the post Road Inspector, and the job location is Tamil Nadu. And if you have any queries, you can go through this official website tnpsc.government.in. Let's see the exam pattern. There will be two papers in this question paper, and the paper 1 is subject paper, which is of ITI standard, and part 2 will consist of two parts. Part A Tamil eligibility test and part B general studies and aptitude and mental ability test. So total maximum marks is 450. And the time duration for each paper is 3 hours. Let's see the topics for this examination. The paper 1 is subject paper, which is of ITI standard for the post draftsman civil. There will be basic engineering drawing. In that the topics are engineering drawing, list of drawing instruments, equipment and materials to be used during training, the layout of the drawing sheet, folding of drawing sheet, and geometrical construction. In that the topics plane geometrical construction, types of lines and angles, triangles and their types, quadrilateral and their properties, polygon and their properties. And in chain surveying topic, the subtopics are introduction, history and principles of chain survey and instrument and employed, introduction about chain survey instruments. You will get questions on the topic compass surveying. In that the subtopics are identification and parts of instrument in compass survey, determining the bearing of a given triangular plot of ABC and calculation of included angles, determining the bearing of a given pentagonal plot of ABCDE and calculation of included angles, magnetic declination and local attraction. And you'll also get questions on the topics plane table surveying, leveling, road engineering 1 and road engineering 2, and total station, global positioning system. And in the paper 2, the part A will consist of Tamil eligibility test, and in part B, you'll get questions on the topics general science, current events, geography, history and culture of India, Indian polity, Indian economy, Indian national movement, history, culture and heritage and political movements of Tamil Nadu, and development administration in Tamil Nadu, aptitude and mental ability test. So this is the brief information of TNPSC Road Inspector Syllabus Exam Pattern. If you want to download this complete syllabus and exam pattern, we had provided the link in the description box. You can download the syllabus and exam pattern from that link. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.